Saad, and in this tutorial I will tell you about how to integrate Stripe to your Android application and validate card details. So let's get started. First we will add this dependency link to our build.gradle file. Don't worry, I will add this to description and sync. Okay, after syncing successfully, just go to your main activity and create a little layout for card details. So first we have an text detail that will take card number. Okay, card num, its text should be card number, and input type is number, obviously card number. Now we will add card CCV, card expiry month, and card expiry year. You can use input masking for year, you can use anything. For now it just I'm not using card expiry month, card expiry year. Okay, card CCV, card expiry month, or you can use this month, year, month, comma, year. Okay, now create one small linear layout with match parent. Here I just put these three into this and set its orientation type to horizontal. Okay, pass weight here. Okay, card CCV, month, year, and in the last we will add button. Its text should be validate. Okay, so because we are validating card detail for now. Color background can be blue. Okay, and text color should be white. Now it's done, almost done. Just add button underscore validate, little margin also. Okay, now we will go to our main activity. Here we will define these. Edit text, edit text card number, edit text card CCV, expiry month and year. Just I'm putting the same name for variables. You can change it as according to your need. Don't worry for this rendering error, it will be solved when we will build project. Now it will okay, the button also. Now add button click listener. Okay, Now the layout working is almost completed, and also the coding, half of coding is completed. Now we will go to Google. Here we will go to dashboard.stripe.com here slash login, because I have already an account in Stripe, so I will log in it. But if you don't have an account, then you can sign up here. I'm entering my login details here. Okay, after a successful login or sign up, you can find here a developers option. You can click here, then go to APIs key. Here you will find that API key. Will just copy it and create a string stripe key. Just add it here. Now we will working with our stripe is equals to new stripe. We will pass current activity context this comma now key. Now on click we will create a function with name public void validate card detail. Basically in this function we will create parameter with a string card number and CCV and month and year. I think CCV should be string now. Okay, now we will add it here, pass all the required details. That's our card get text to string, card expiry month dot get text dot to string, and also card expiry year dot get text dot to string. Okay, basically I have defined these strings, just convert it for a string in now, and in the stripe we will convert it to integer. Now create card params just to new card params, pass card number, CCV month. I think let me check card X CCV month and year. I have done CCV should be in last. Now check card number month year. Okay, we will convert it integer to parse integer, means in string to integer. Same for year. Okay, now stripe dot create card token. We will pass card param comma new activity result tokens. Okay, if the card details are okay, then it will go in this method. For now we will print toast card is you can add any task according to your need. Also it will give you this token, so you can use this token for other purpose, like for payment integration, for payment gateway or other. No, or if there's some error, for example your CCV is incorrect, or card date card number is incorrect, or card month or year is incorrect, then it will show you error here. Dot get localized message. Okay, now my coding is almost done. Just build my app. Also let me check the internet permissions is given or not. Yes, internet permissions is given. Okay, the application is now building. You can check add conditions here for validation. For example, if card number is not equal to blank, not blank, or CCV, or month, or year, or card. Let me put semicolon now. But again, my application is built successfully. Now I will add card number. Oh, it should be hint. I just write it to text. Wait, change it to hint. Build again. Okay, now we will enter card number. Basically, the default card number is 42424242424242 and 42. Basically, this is a card number provided to us to check or test our card validation. So now I'm using this card CCV. You can put any CCV for testing, as you know it's a testing purpose. For month, you can use any month, not less than today. Okay, so you can use future month, you can use future year. So for now I'm using 12 and year should be 23. Okay, now I will check. As you see, card is validated. It's showing the toast card is validated. Let me do it again. Okay, card is validated. That means it is coming to this function, on success function, and it is also getting token. Let me now put 1 year back, for example 22, and check. Your card expiry is invalid. Okay, so this error is coming from here, exception. Let me do it correct and change my card number. Now it's showing your card number is incorrect. So basically guys, this is the normal way of integration and validation card detail using Stripe. So I hope you like this video. Please guys do subscribe my channel and like my videos. Thank you so much. Take care.